my name's David Kempster. We farm in Oswestry, North Shropshire, farming 1,500 acres of wheat, barley, oilseed rape, and grass and maize. We run a combine, LEXION 650, which is on its 7th season now. We would be looking, I plan to do between 50 and 60 acres a day on a 4-ton crop. So we're looking at about 20 to 24 tonne an hour. This combine has been very reliable, very pleased with it indeed. We haven't had any issues to stop us combining during the day. We've had a couple of little breakdowns, but only very minor, and it's been a very good and reliable combine. We've been very pleased with it. We went for class originally because the farm that we were contract farming and we bought his combine was a class, and found that the reliability was very good, but the backup service from Caulfields has been excellent. They've looked after us with any bits and any support that we've needed. We chose a straw walker because we sell all of our straw, and there is a big demand for straw in this area. And so to try to maintain the straw quality, we stayed with a straw walker, but going for the largest straw walker that the class did. And everybody does like the straw, and yeah, it does do a good job on the straw. It doesn't thrash the straw too much. We have been looking at changing it. It was looked at whether to change it after this season, but I've decided we're going to run it for one more year, because this year the crops haven't been overly large crops and not a huge amount of straw, and it's been a very easy year on the combine.